Having a logo designed for your business boosts brand recognition and ensures that you stand out from your competitors. In this video, we'll have a look at Designhill's custom logo design service. Unlike other design services where you work solely with one designer, Designhill pulls from a number of talented designers, which gives you more variety and creative styles. So how does Designhill logo design work? All you have to do is choose your industry and style, pick colors and create a brief, launch your design contest, and then announce a winner. To start things off, we're going to select a desired option. So we can do things like have a logo and business card design created. We can also go with a logo and social media pack, or even a logo with brand identity. Now in this case, we will be choosing the first option, which is custom logo design. Here we'll be asked to choose the industry that we're in, and we can either select from a long list of different options here, or we can search for an industry. Once we see the industry that we'd like to choose, we can go ahead and click on it, and then hit the Continue button. Next, we'll be asked to choose a minimum of 5 different design styles that we like. And this really helps the designers get a feel for our style and what it is that we're looking for. It's nice that there's so much variety here. It'll really help when it comes to ideas and inspiration. So we have 3 so far. I'll go ahead and click on 2 more. Once we're done choosing all of the styles that we like, we'll hit Next Step at the bottom here. On the next screen, we get to pick our colors. You'll notice that as we hover over different colors, Designhill will tell you what it is that they're generally used for. So for example, if we hover over the blue colors, it says knowledge, trust, calm, and honesty. Whereas if we hover over the green colors, it says growth, harmony, and success. We can either choose a set of predefined colors here, or if you scroll down, we can also let the designers make suggestions. On the other hand, if you have very specific colors in mind, you can add them here. I'm going to go ahead and put in a gold hex code, and that will ensure that the designers use this gold color when designing the logo. So once we're okay with our colors, we'll hit Next Step. Before we move on and add even more details, we'll be asked to sign up for a Designhill account. And this will help us to take full advantage of all that Designhill has to offer, and it's going to save all of our details and preferences as well. In this step, we're going to get a little more detailed and fill out our design brief. And the first thing we're going to do is edit the title. By default, Designhill does provide a title for you, so you could leave it as is if you'd like. I'm going to tweak it ever so slightly and add a few words here and there. And you may notice that over on the left-hand side, it says Contest Title. As I said earlier, Designhill's custom logo service is unique in that dozens of designers will work on your logo as opposed to just one. When you fill out your project brief, you're essentially launching a design contest where designers submit entries in hopes of becoming the winner. You get to choose the winner based on whichever design you like best. So it's really a win-win for both you and the designer. So moving along here, I'll go ahead and enter the name that we'd like to see on the logo. And as it states here, it's generally the name of your business. And then if you have a slogan, you can enter it here. We've already selected our industry. And then this is where we're going to add our actual description. It's important that we try to be as detailed as possible here, and that's because it'll help to ensure that the designers are headed in the right direction. Next, we'll select the types of logos that we'd like to have created. In this case, I'm going to select letter, and then I'll also select combination. It might also be neat to select open to ideas, because the reality is we sometimes don't know what we like until we see it. And then last but not least, we do have the option to upload files if we'd like. Once we're done filling out all of our information, we hit the Continue button here. We're going to select a package based on what it is that we need and which features make the most sense for our business. As you can see, each package has a set of features that it comes with. And with having 4 different options to choose from, there really is a package for everybody. We're going to leave the standard package selected, and then we'll have a look through the different add-ons and options before we officially launch our contest. Starting at the top, you do have the option to send out paid invites, and these invites will go out to top designers asking them to participate in your contest. You can also change it to refundable if you'd like. And then let's have a look through the different add-ons that we can pick. And that ranges from things like top designers, featured project, highlight project, private project, hidden project, which is already included. And then we also have things like adding an NDA, white label presentation, and even a voting poll, which is really neat. It allows you to gather feedback from your peers, friends, and family on your logo design and any other projects that you run on Designhill. Next, we have design add-ons like envelope design, business card design, and so on. And finally, we can select the duration. From there, we'll hit the Proceed to Checkout button, where we can quickly confirm our project details and place our order. After that, our logo design contest will be posted, and we can simply sit back, relax, and watch the submissions roll in. It goes without saying that every business is unique, and so is every logo. So I'd like to share 3 pretty different real-world examples of design contests and their winners. First up, we have a logo design for a restaurant called Sidebar. In this design contest, there were 72 talented designers that provided logo submissions, which is really impressive when you think about it. Here are just a few of the logos that were submitted. The great thing about working with so many different high-end designers is that you get to see their different takes, as well as their creative styles. The options really do vary from logo to logo. The winning logo of this design contest, and the logo that the business chose in the end, was this one. Just looking at this logo makes you want to relax on the beach and enjoy a nice meal. Plus, I can see this being printed on a t-shirt. It's a nice logo. Next up, we have a women's fitness clothing logo. In this design contest, 59 different designers submitted logos, and here are a few for us to look at. I love how some of the designers go the extra mile and create mock-ups to go with their designs. Seeing your new logo on clothing, for example, makes it even more exciting as a business owner. The winner of this contest was the designer of this logo here. Very simple and very modern looking. Last but not least, we have a wedding business logo for a company called Happiness Hill. 66 designers created logos for this one, and again, the variety is very impressive. This is the winner for this contest. It's nice and simple, and the script font adds a touch of elegance, which makes complete sense for a wedding company. As you can see, Designhill's custom logo service is quite unique. It simplifies the way that designers and businesses work together to create professional-looking logos for any business.